So we are continuing our previous lessons. We were at the domain name search. So we just did a search about ibbtrainingcenter.com, and nobody has the name registered. So you have a it available. So that means we can buy it. So you just have to click on buy. This company is a Ghanaian company. So click on buy. Immediately you click on buy, a form will be in for you to fill your particulars. So it says create account. So creating account, you need to what, log in this. So I'm just using my details. So I'll type in my password. So I'll enter my password. Then I'll go to my name. Then I'll choose Beneza. Then I'll go for the next one, which is Menzadaga. Then we'll go downward the street. For the street, I won't enter it. I'll choose Mankasim. So I'll choose Mankasim. I'll choose Mankasim, then Ghana. So state I will use GH because it's a Ghana. GH, the postal code, this, then my phone number will be in for them to call me. So I'll put my street name, let's say Mankasim Ijumaku Road. Mankasim Ijumaku. I've entered my details and I have to click on continue. So continue, I'll choose yes from here. Then automatically it says welcome. Then I'll continue. So I'm just giving you how to register your website for a company in here in Ghana. So you can see that I have my name registered there. Then it says a year. So a year, and I have the person, the company need to pay, let's say 58 cedis. Let's make it 60 cedis a year. So a year, we need to pay that amount. Then they give me free options, so I'll have to take on it. Then ID protection, if I need protection too, I can choose. But if I don't need, I will have to. So I will have to choose the. So this is my this. Then we have name server over here. So the name server they're giving me, you can set custom name server, example and blah blah for your domain. So if you are unsure, simply leave it. So I'll just have to leave it for them to create those links for me. So immediately I move to the next page, I'll have the billing system or the payment system. So in a year, and this is the amount that I need to pay because I've chosen a protection ID to it. So I have to pay 170 cedis per year. So this is the registration for the domain. Then the registration for the hosting too. That one was also, I think, 100 and something cities. So let's make it 150 cities. So in all, your hosting of a site, domain registration, everything will cost you, let's say 300 cities. So 300 cities for the hosting. Then you also check in your what your designing bill system. So maybe I'm going to use mobile money. Then I'll choose if I'm going to use Visa. I'm going to use commercial deposit. So I've choose that. So after choosing it, I'll I'll go in for what placement order. So I'll just have to click on it. So immediately I click, the order will be there. So it says this. So I have my thank you in there. Then I will choose my invoice. So this invoice is what I will use to pay the bills. So if I come down here, I have my total bill calculated for me. So I have my total bill with VAT and everything. is inside. So in all, I need to pay 103 cedis 10 pesos. So this is my bill that I need to pay. So this is the one. So I need to pay it into this company name, which is at what Kumasi staff. This is their TIN number, and this is my work address too. So all that I have to do is just do the processing. If I want to use offline, I can use it. So I have the status of it says unpaid. So this is how we register a website domain and what the hosting processing. So they are still saying if you have any question, you can contact us so that we will help you to understand. So we do that when you subscribe it. Now let me finish with this one and go and search for a free domain. So let's go for free hosting company. So free hosting site and domain. So I'll just choose this one. This one will totally go for outsiders. So we have free hosting over here. We have another free hosting site. So those free. All that you need to do is just make sure that your website is what is done, is finished building. So that when you come here, you just have to drop the folder in it. So hosting a site, you need to make sure you've gone through to the internet and make sure you choose the right company for the right what job. So we are saying if you don't understand anything, just get to us and we will help you to understand. So let's check if the pages are open or not. Alright, so this one is what active. So we have it here. It says what free. So all that I have to do is just have to learn whether it's totally free or it's not free. Or we just have to come here. Free web hosting. So I need to make sure you're going through. So I just have to register to have access into their server. So you register. Let's say this is the name that I want to use. Then I will check. So they will check it for me. If the name is not being what used, I use. Find it over there. So it says congratulations, IUB.com is available. So this is for the domain registration. So yes. So, so let me go straight to the hosting because we just checked the name is not being what you use. So I have to come here, choose order for the free. So the free still have access some some information. So paste the name again and see what will be in there. So still giving me because the hosting is free, but they want me to go to buy the domain. So I need to buy it or I need to click it. So whichever way you want it, you can what choose it. So I'll go through and see if I can continue. If it still charges, I will just go. So I'll come to a different website. So this is a different website. It says zero zero web 00webhost.com. The first hosting it says free web hosting. So just have to come in there. So the free is here. So the free I have 300 megabytes space. That means that this website is not cannot post a web which is more than 300 megabytes. So I'll just go through and see. So if I go back to where I choose the free hosting, put it in your mind that for the domain, that is the .com, I need to what to buy. I need to let me continue. Let me go back to this. So here too, I have to what register. Let me use my Gmail account. So everything you need to register. So if you register a hosting site, then you have access to what to upload your your details there. So I've used my Gmail link. So they will go through and what see. Let me come back here. And they've given me ID protection. Do I need it or no? If I don't need it, I won't have to select. So I'll just choose continue. So continue will keep on going. So if you can remember, the domain registration I need to pay, but the server that I'm going to store my details over there, they're doing it for me as well free. So all that I have to do is just pay the domain, that is the .com, that one. So if you can check it, you can find it over here. The .com is here, but here that is where I'm going to put my folder, my web document in there. So for that angle, it's free. So I'll just have to check it out, or I just have to use it. Let's go to the other side and see. So we have so many places where you can get what free activities, but make sure that the free doesn't last long. You can give it to you for maybe 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So for that period, you need to prepare yourself before you go off. So these are the things that you need to know. You need to go through to the net, see the right website. We have so many websites that you can host there, but you need to check and get the correct web company. So if you have any question, you can even search more on the net. They will help you. So there's no need for you to pick a car to Accra and pay your processing and stuff. You can also do it bank transaction. Then you send them the invoice. Then they will also communicate with you. So here they've given me a MTN Memo wallet number. So I'll just have to enter my number in there. Then I will choose pay. So immediately I click on pay, a prompt will be on my phone. So they give me an instruction that I need to follow. Start 700, go to my approval and start. So I'll check it on my phone. So I'll just go to 700, 170. I'll choose it. So I'm doing it on my phone to see whether it's active or not. So I'll go to it says my wallet. So I'll go to my wallet. Then I'll go to my approval. So I'll choose 3 on my phone. For the approval, I have it in here. It says enter PIN to get all your pending. So I will enter my PIN. So I have it says no, we have no pending approval. So that means that the pending hasn't come yet. So I can wait for a while, then later it will be in. So this is how the web is worked. If you have any question, let's get to us and we'll help you. So designing a website, hosting a website, this is the procedure you can use to host a website. If you have any question, you can contact us and we will help you. Question. So these are the simple website that you can use to check your website hosting.